Okay, yeah, let's listen. You set him off now. Sorry, buddy. Okay, we got a Fezzer leaving. We've got this. Is it a Jag? Is it a Ding? Is it a Bird? Is it windy? Of course it's windy. That's some bits and pieces, look. And that is a lovely, lovely, lovely Jag. I'm just going to say it is a Jag. It genuinely could be a Daimler. I could be wrong. But this Mustang, I hope, makes some good sounds.
So this is Haynes Breakfast Meet.
Hello, people.
Big car meet where everyone can get to the car and then do it.
That is a good sound. That is a good sound. You going this way, Ferrari? No, you're not. Is that a T-Sport? Corolla T-Sport, is it? It could be, I think from the shape it is. I have always liked the shape of those. Boing. These are cool. You don't see these anymore at all. Good car, good car. I'm going to keep filming that. That's cool. I like that. That's all right. Another Griffith. Zoomed way too close. Gorgeous GTI. It's lovely, 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 lovely. Oh. VX 220. Oh, the light just went down horrendously then. I thought you were gonna send it. That's cool. MR2. That's quite nice. Another 205, that's lovely. There's that Rosa. What was the name? Like Molly and Minty? Yeah, I think it was Molly and Minty. I'm guessing the owner's Minty and the car's Molly. Oh, Renault 5. Look at this. Oh, actually, look at that. Look at these. This is insane. Some Ariels right down the road from where Ariels are made. That's cool. It's sad, I really wanted to get a little video of those Ariels. The Nomad is gone. And don't worry, we will make a video out of the other bits and pieces that are here. We got some good Nobles, we got some TVRs, we got a man taking a picture, we got Aston Martin, we got a Land Rover, and we got, is this a Dolomite Sprint leaving? Yes, a Dolomite Sprint. No, it's a Herald. I am a nincompoop. Tiguan, MGB GT. That looks lovely. I do love the styling of MGBs. Another MG going the other way. We got the MG combo. We've got an MX-5 with the roll cage, just in case he wants to take it track racing. I got wind in my ears and it's really disturbing me. Nice. That is the culprit of that noise. Some noises. Yep, got a snail walking in front of the screen. AMG was making lots of noise a minute ago. Can he make more noise leaving? That is the question. That is the question. Yeah, he makes noises. The wind is actually crazy. Got a DS3, is that a cab? Yeah, it's a cabriolet. Got a few of the open tops leaving. We got a few Westfields. I think all of them Westfields. Some other bits and pieces leaving now, and the wind is really picking up. So looky Luke. Of course, got the Ferrari. Yeah. Hello, son. We will get you leaving as well. Oh, beautiful. I don't know what these noises are. That went the other way anyway. Hello. Ferrari went the wrong way anyway. That's sad. No! Oh shit. Everyone go the other way. That's got a few things. Like the Tasman, we followed this in earlier. Lovely yellow. literally blowing into my ear, and it's giving me a bit of a headache. It's quite the life. Great Scott. With the Nurburgring on the side. Is it a Nurburgring edition though? However, let's hear it leave. Let's get it. No, they're not leaving, they're just going back. Confused. It's just a sound. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy. I understand that. Just carry on. Car's going that way. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. And these ones are cool as well. Is it an auto? The Laurel. This is going to be lovely, I bet. It's a Lexus IS200 and an EF, so that's going to be plenty of sound, which makes them more Mr. Webber himself, Mr. Jim Webber. How much of this video is literally just going to be going, it's windy and wind noise? That's quite zoomed in. Hello. Oh, a TR2. Lovely. TR2, you're going to make some good, healthy sounds. Volvo, yes. Don't worry, don't worry. I've got the camera held strongly. Let's see even if I can get the sound of that. Mistake, I actually forgot to press record for about 5 minutes. Oh, is this guy alright? Oh, it's probably just not as quick as the others, unfortunately. Really cool. interesting sounds from these two German whips in a minute. Three Germans. MPS, lovely. Come on, Subi. Sound from that S2, which is very surprising. Can the Clio make a noise? A lot of people backing out. That wind was this wind is bad. This wind is bad. That's cool. Like that. I think it's a Daihatsu, isn't it? Daihatsu of some kind. Oh, that's an Alfa. Alfa Sud. I could have just stood here. We live and we learn. I would do a walk around Haynes, but I have to have a look at this. RS200. Made for Group B rally. That thing is absolutely monstrous. It's so good. Then you got that Jensen as well. You got a few bits and pieces in it. This is Haynes itself. Inside, you got half a Civic. Half a Civic Type R. So the other half is intact. I missed. Here we are. Cool. I have a feeling that this is me walking back to the car. Don't worry, this will be like a little vlogging style version of Haynes, because this Cortina is lovely. I love these. A 1600E. And then you've got the Mark II, you've got a Fiesta leaving. You've got the MG B, that looks really cool. Let's have a little walkie up here. Oh, it's disco time. Discos. Oh, that's also a disco. So we have multiple discos going on at the same time. Do you know what? That's the loudest car so far. That's the loudest one so far. Still Nothing's leaving at this point. I think the weather is getting too much. The weather outside is frightful for sure. Range Rover in my way, but go on MRT. Still some good stuff. We'll have a little bit of a walk around. Let's do that. Let's do that. So what do we have here? That thing is interesting. The styling, it's not like anything I've seen before. What is this? It's an Austin of some kind. Wow. Look at that. I love the shape. That TVR. The T350C. We got, what we got that. That's a Tuscan. That's lovely. Got a line of TVRs, a line of them. That Austin's really cool. What we got here, that is a Rolls Royce, is it? Yeah, it is a Rolls Royce. I might have called it it's Naruto running. That is probably the worst joke I've seen so far. Look at that E-Type. It's got a patina on it. He has definitely kept the paint original, which I respect heavily. I respect it heavily. That is really nice. Lovely, lovely. Let's get more of that TVR action. Gorgeous TVR. This Noble is lovely. It's got that acid green. I do love a Noble. I do love a Noble. And the colour combo is something I've never seen before. That is interesting. Got the Elise down there. I think that's the last generation. That looks really cool. The line of TVL. Oh wow, I'm still zoomed in. Got Rich leaving, which means I need to leave as well. Let's see if I can catch Rich going before I go. Go on, Rich, send it. I always get caught up saying I'll get a walk around video, but I always get stuck at the exit because all the action always happens there. This 720 is gorgeous. Lovely, lovely. Gorgeous. Got a few bits and pieces. Let's have a little walk up here while I try and find my friend Joe. Feel really bad because I can't find him. Oh, there he is. Let's make a little beeline to the exit. That's really cool. That's a really nice Jag, actually. Got that Skyline. That's really nice. A few bits and pieces as we leave. That Lamborghini's still there. That's a gorgeous Lambo. That Mark 1 Focus, that's really cool, RS. We got Joe's Tezza. Of course we got a Tezza.
Right, let's start making our way. Everyone get... What, the guy?
He was in the car with him.
I think it's him, isn't it?
Yeah, it is him.
He's like literally 20 and has that and a 720S McLaren.
And an R8 last time as well.